Next, in CSS, we are going to see how to work with position property. So in CSS, there are different position properties like relative, absolute, fixed, sticky, and by default, if we don't specify any position property, then it is static. So first of all, we'll see how to work with relative position property. So here in head section, I'm giving style. And first of all, I'm setting height of my document's body. HTML, body, and here I'm giving height to 100%. Next, I'm creating one box class and I'm setting its width to be 300 pixel, height to 300 pixel. I'm giving its background to be yellow in color, green in color, and I'm giving opacity to this background, opacity of 0.4. One more class I'm creating, box2, and here I'm just changing the color of background from green to yellow, and here I'm removing opacity. And here in body section I'm giving def class equals to first class is box1 and dev class equals to second class we have made as box2. Save it and we'll see how it is looking in our browser. So these are our two divs. Here we have given opacity 0.4, that's why this green color is looking like this. Now first of all we are going to see how to work with position property relative. So an element with position relative is position relative to its normal flow, and we can set its top, bottom, left and right properties to change its position. So here I'm writing position and I'm setting it to relative. This thing is not going to do anything. Picture will remain same as it was previous because we haven't set left, right, top and bottom properties of it. So first of all here I'm setting left. I want that it should move 15 pixel from left side. So we can see that it has moved 15 pixel from left side. Just to make it clear, I'm making it 50 pixel. It has moved 50 pixel from left side. Now I want that from bottom it should move 50 pixel. So it has moved 50 pixel from bottom side. Now from top side I want to give 50 pixel. We can see that it has overlapped our yellow box. And from right side we want it to be 50 pixel. It hasn't moved because for that we have to remove left. Then only we can see it clearly how it is working. So we can see that it has moved left side to give more extra 50 pixel space to right side. So this was our relative position property in CSS.